Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day wreath out of mostly Dollar Tree products. I hope you enjoy. First you're going to add pipe cleaners to the wreath. I put it almost at every notch. I started with some white deco mesh that I got from Dollar Tree and placed it in each of the twist ties. As you can see, I'm leaving a little bit so that it makes it fluffier. I'm not pulling it tight. I'm gonna do the same thing with some of this pink deco mesh. This deco mesh actually has some white dots on it. It kind of looks like snow. I thought it was really pretty, especially where Valentine's Day is still in winter, especially here in Maine. You're just gonna keep doing this until you get it as full as you'd like. I think I went around it probably 4 or 5 times. And I used 2 rolls of the white deco mesh and 2 rolls of the pink deco mesh. I decided that I wanted to make the wreath look a little bit fuller, so I take some of this pink burlap ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm cutting a bunch of strips that are about 6 to 8 inches long, and then I'm going to add them to some brown ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, just to add a little bit more of that farmhouse style that I love so much. And this is just going to help the wreath look a little bit more full and cover up some more of that wreath wire. I'm loving this almost burlap color ribbon with these hearts on them from Dollar Tree. I think it's super cute and obviously adds more of the Valentine's Day feel to the ribbon. Here I'm going to cut some dovetails into the ribbon and then tie them all together. And then you're going to put them on the wreath and fluff them out in every direction to make them kind of flow out almost like a flower. I like the look of just having 3 of these bundles, but you can choose to do more or less. I just like the way that it came all together. I found this really pretty love sign at Dollar Tree. It's super cute. I did like the wood look, but I wanted it to be a little bit softer, so I decided to paint it with some Waverly chalk paint in white. wanted to make these white letters feel a little bit more rustic, so I'm just adding some brown paint that I got from Walmart. I think it was 50 cents, and it's called Burnt Umber. I think the brown paint definitely added some depth to these love letters. Now I'm just taking some brown burlap ribbon that has lace on it. I had this in my craft room, but you can buy it at Walmart. I think it's about $3 for 9 feet of it, so it's a pretty good price. You can also get something similar to it at Dollar Tree for $1 if you'd like. If you guys want to see how I make my bows, just let me know and I will make a detailed video on it. It just takes a little bit of time, so I sped it up a little bit for you. Make sure that you dovetail the ends of it just to make it look more put together. Now I'm using some more of that pink burlap ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree to make another bow that's a little bit bigger than the regular burlap bow. I'm going to twist that together with the burlap bow, fluff it out, and then put it on the wreath. I put the bow a little bit off center between two of the other bundles that I made. I just like the look of it being off-centered. And then I fluffed it and moved the tails around to where I'd like them. Now I'm going to cut off the extra pipe cleaner so that you can't see them. For this sign, I'm going to add some pipe cleaners to the back of it so that I can secure it to the wreath. I used some hot glue, put the pipe cleaner down, and then I put some of my extra ribbon over it just so that it's more sturdy and it won't fall off. You can choose to use some E6000, but I'm not doing it for this one. Just secure it to your wreath and then you're done. I'm so loving this wreath, and I might keep it for myself. I think it's super cute and dainty and farmhouse. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you do decide to make this, feel free to tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see what you make. Thanks again.